Hey, Christy Mattoon here with Mindrewire. I'm super excited to be here with you, and I'm super excited that you decided to join me here. I want to tell you a little bit about what Mindrewire is all about. We talk about subconscious stress, subconscious change, and how to actually change on a level that is so deep the change becomes your new default. So what Mindrewire does is we're not just changing the idea, we're not just changing the belief, we're not just changing the thought, we're actually going in and trying to restructure the chemicals that your body, the chemicals and hormones that your body are giving you every time you go into one of your cycles, every time you go into a thought process or you try and do something where all of a sudden you're like, and then I self-sabotaged. Or, you try and do something and you're like, I started and then I can't finish it. I've got all these little projects started that I can't finish. Or you recognize a pattern, right? The same kind of people showing up over and over and over again in your life and just causing mayhem and disaster. It's interesting when you come to realize those things and you see how it's playing out in your life. And sometimes we can even go back and recognize where it started, why you have those patterns, why you self-sabotage, why you have that feeling inside your body. And so that's what we try and adjust and tweak. That's where we go into the system itself, meaning your system. And your system has many different layers to it, so we address every one of them. And when we're adjusting that feeling, you don't always have a clear idea of where it came from. So we go at it from the feeling. If there is a clear idea, we go straight to that period of time or to that person. Right? The idea of inner child work comes up frequently. Do you really need to do all this inner child work? And is it even effective? That's one of my questions. If you're just going to that child and trying to hold them and hug them and convince them they're okay, and your subconscious mind keeps giving you the chemicals and kicking back out the information that, no, I'm not, that's a tough one to beat. You have to step beyond that to before that ever even happened and recreate a feeling, give your body a whole different sensation, teach your cells how to feel different, and then move forward. I hope this helped you understand a little bit more about what Mindrewire is and how it works. And I hope to be talking to you soon. If you have any questions, you can always write a comment in the box, or you can email me at christy@mindrewire.com. That's fine too. You can also, if you want to, grab that free session. We can have a discussion about how all this works and then help you carry it forward from there. Check me out on Instagram. You can go find me on Instagram at Mindrewire. Please subscribe to this channel. That helps my ratings out a ton, and I greatly appreciate that. And again, I hope to be talking to you soon. Thanks.